YouTube. I am back again with my Hoover Elite II energy efficient. It is now running smoother than it was in the last video of it, and it's also a hell of a lot cleaner. So yeah, I cleaned it up, and if you're wondering how I got it like this, all I used was a Clorox rag, or a Clorox disinfecting rag. Yeah, well, it's actually a disinfecting wipe. It's not an actual rag. But anyway, yeah, that's all I used. Like, we got some stuff left over here, but that should wipe off. We got a scuff mark. Like, you probably didn't even see that, but there's a little bit of gunk left on it. But that should wipe off easy. There's a little bit left here. There's a lot of scuff marks on it, like right here. But yeah, I should be able to wipe all that off. Other than that, it's rather clean. I put a fresh bag in it. I mean, it's just a Hoover Type Y bag, so it's not going to inflate that big. Because I still need to get some extra Type A bags, because you know how conquests are when you go into work with them. Like when you're doing some really dirty jobs with them, they fill up bags like crazy. And when I say conquest, it's probably pretty obvious of what I'm meaning, the Hoover Conquest, which I am going to try and get back to doing some videos of it, because I noticed I haven't really used it a whole lot on this channel. Well, I've used it a lot, but not lately. So, yeah. Anyway, we're going to give this thing a in the now running, because I've also greased the motor bearings. Well, mainly the one on this side, because that's where most of the racket was coming from. Not that these things are whisper quiet like a Windsor or whatever. Eureka, I mean not Eureka, Electrolux Discovery or anything like that. Yeah, they're not whisper quiet like those are. Or any Windsor for that matter. Like, the Versamatic's not the only silent one. But anyway, enough of my rambling self. Let's give this thing a run. Yeah, I mean, there's still a little bit of bearing sound on that end, but that should go away after a while. I haven't really used this a whole lot since I got it cleaned up and serviced. I guess I could show, like, the hose. Here, I'll get some paper. I know I haven't done a lot of paper tests, so I'll actually do a video of the nozzle, then the hose with the paper test, because I want to at least give us a little bit of a paper test. Might as well, since I got it out and on film. again, it's still not running smooth, but it should smoothen up with time. So I guess I could run this on the thicker carpet over here. I'm going to leave this off because this doesn't even go with this machine. That came off of a C14 that is now my buddy Spencer's. So anyway, let's give this a run on the higher carpet. I got it set on 2 because that's the height for this carpet. Well, at least for this machine. For the Eureka, it's actually a 3. So, here we go. Sorry, the wheels squeak a little bit. I am yet to oil those. Seems to be smoothening up a little bit. So there it is. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see, and I'll see what I can do and how I can do it. Still trying to get more requests done. So you can visit my website. Link will be in the description below. And I want to say the first quiet video is going to be this Saturday evening, but I can't really promise that. But I'm going to try and get it. Or quiet video, not silent, because silent you can't hear anything. But anyway, once again, website is in the description below. And until next time, bye.